Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through an all-new boat from Sea Ray. This is an all-new 210 SPX from Sea Ray. The 210 SPX has been a wonderful boat, and for 2024 it is a whole new body style. So let's take a look at it. First we'll start with the outside. This is the beautiful horizon color on the outside. Some would say it looks kind of like a gray, but beautiful horizon color with the white on the bottom here. The 210 did get a little bit deeper in this boat, so you can handle nice big water if you want to bring it out to there. So in the back here, one of the big changes with this was you used to walk into the boat on the port side, and now it's been moved over to the starboard side. So you walk in through the starboard side, you still have the nice sea decking all the way through. They got some new designs for 2024. You still have the nice drop down swim platform that can go into the water. This particular model comes with the 4.5 liter Mercury, 250 horsepower with the stainless steel prop. And then when we're in the back of the boat, we've got some nice seating up into here. You can hang out, watch people swim, or just hang out in the sun. So let's go take a look and see what they did with the interior. All right, welcome aboard this all new 210 SPX from Sea Ray. So like I mentioned before, we come over, walk in on the starboard side. Again, you've got the nice sea decking all the way through on the flooring, so it's easy to clean. It dries off incredibly fast. And just like the previous model, we got some nice storage in the walkway. There's some extra storage as you walk in that has a drain in it, so any little things that you want to put in there, you can. We still have the nice built-in cooler underneath this seat right here. Has a drain, throw some ice in there, you got a nice place for that. We do have a nice place underneath here for a carry-on cooler, so if you have a smaller carry-on, you can stuff it right underneath there. I've got some storage over here on this side, underneath this seat here. And then over here we have the co-captain's chair where you can sit forward. You can lift this up, pull it this way, and you can sit backward as well. Then another thing they changed here is on the floor. So just changed how it opens, so it opens up this way versus the other side. It is very deep, and it goes all the way back to almost the front of the boat, so you've got plenty of space down here for your water sports, water skis, anything that you'd like underneath there. So why don't you come on into the boat. And then up here at the helm, standard now is going to be the Simrad touchscreen system, so lots of information in there. Whether you're out on the water, whether you need information about your engine, it is all going to be right there in the Simrad system. I have the interior lighting on. There's a courtesy lighting. You can pop those on and off, and they turn on throughout the boat. We've got USBs throughout the boat. You've got places for your phones. And then in this particular model, we did do the standard Fusion stereo. So I've got 2 speakers here and 2 in the front. And obviously it is Bluetooth, and it sounds very, very good. We've got some nice storage up here, little glove box area, and another USB. One of my favorite things here at this boat is just how much storage there is, and this is nice deep storage way in the back. So it's a nice place to put towels and some other dry things in that area. As we come up to the bow, we've got a nice big bow again with the 21. We've got storage underneath both of those seats right there. There can be an option for a filler cushion here, and that also comes with the backrest, so you can actually fill this whole thing in with a backrest as well, so it's kind of a nice place to sit. And then the last thing here up at the bow is the anchor locker. So like I said, brand new for 2024, all new body style for the 210 SPX. This particular model is here at our Rogers location. If you want to come take a look at it, just stop on by or give us a call and we can set up an appointment. As always, click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.